This machine can cut potatoes into many parts very easily. Utensils are painted by this amazing machine. This machine is very helpful and fast in fitting clothes. It is very powerful hydraulic machine. Peeling of vegetables is made very easily by this machine. This machine is used for cutting of cable wires. This is how the grass is lifted from the ground. Seeing this machine is very satisfying. Plates are painted very beautifully by this machine. The handle of the doors are made by this method. This machine is very powerful. It can get extra part of iron rods very easily. This machine is cleaning the road very satisfyingly. Iron rods can be bent very easily by this machine. This is how the thick metal is converted into thin metal. The process of dosa making is very easy. This worker is cleaning the wall by this amazing machine. The cylindrical pipes are converted into cubes by this machine. This machine is very accurate to print on the t-shirts. Making design on the wood cardboard. The fencing chains are made by this method. This machine works on the principle of electromagnetic induction. This machine can put the bundle of bricks on the road very fastly. The worker is cutting a large piece of meat into small pieces. Thick layer of snow is removed by this equipment. This machine is very ingenious to make iron utensils. This worker is doing his job very perfectly. This is very satisfying video of painting a chair. The making of designs on the wall can be done very easily by this tool. The grains lying on the floor can be loaded in the trolley very easily by this amazing tool. This machine is doing the work of rotating of sellotapes. This machine can destroy all the wooden parts very easily. The tape is being binded on this object. This worker can make 2 tiles from 1 stone. This tool is very useful in agriculture. Cutting of hedges very satisfyingly. This machine is used for putting the charcoal on the road. So friends, if you enjoyed this video, please like the video and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.